Hello, my name is Marty. I work for Salon Republic. I'm in Studio 1A. Today I'm going to show you how to make big curls on curly hair. So ultimately I've started a little bit already, and the key is to actually set the hair as you're working. So some hairdressers opt to use 2 round brushes, some hairdressers opt to use 4 round brushes, however many you can get in the hair, but you're ultimately creating big curls on curly hair. The curly hair already creates the foundation, and the round brush and the blow dryer are just creating that end result. So the same principle holds true as to how you blow dry curly hair straight with a brush and blow dryer. You get the hair dry from the scalp through the mid shaft, working your ends accordingly. The difference is that when you get to that final step where the hair is dry on the round brush, you will then roll it up. Hold your blow dryer however you want and move on to your next section. When you twist to remove the brush, you are creating your big curls. And you'll move on to your next section, drying it, scalp through the mid shaft, down to the ends, pulling that up, and you move on to your next section and you do the entire head just like that. I'm Marty, and that's how you create big curls on curly hair.